Welcome, Brendan Bears. I'm Thomas Myers.
And I'm Skylar Miller, anchoring from the BTV studio.
Today is Friday, September 13th, 2019.
Yes, Friday the 13th, and there's a full moon tonight.
Many of you showed your spirit at the pep rally yesterday morning by cheering on our Bears. Take a look at some highlights.
Last night we celebrated homecoming, crowning as Queen Naomi Mendoza and as King Rishi Patel. Congratulations. And our 2019 homecoming court included Lady Ariana Sanchez and Lord Averon Carter, Duchess Shayla Vidal and Duke Marvion Page, Princess Evelyn Corrales and Prince Xavier Aldana. Take a look at some highlights.
Mr. Rishi Patel. Homecoming queen of William J. Brand High School is Miss Naomi Mendoza.
We end Spirit Week today. Hope you precipitate by dressing up as a terrorist or hippie. Remember, homecoming dance with the theme Once Upon a Time is tomorrow in the cafeteria from 8 to 11 p.m. Tickets are still on sale for $20 cash.
Also, NHS will give service hours to volunteers who help set up our homecoming dance. Be at the school at 8:30 a.m. for breakfast and sign-in.
Teachers, $5 Jeans Mondays are back. If you would like to precipitate, fill out the form that was sent to you. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Vaughn in C208.
This Saturday, get out and support your running Bears at the Cross Country UIW Invitational at Live Oak City Park beginning at 8 a.m.
Bears, open house is next Thursday, September 19th from 6:15 p.m. to 8:35 p.m.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual Cheer Clinic next Saturday, September 21st from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. The cost is $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and participation in the performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Ms. Cynthia Farrell at 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Finally, let's congratulate our Bears for their win against the Mustangs last night. Take a look at some highlights.
Well, this is all we have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brandon website. Have a great day, Bears. And remember, progress reports come out on Monday.
I'm Skylar Miller.
And I'm signing off Thomas Mars from BTV. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.